For today's Backyard Nature Challenge, we're going to find natural items to make our own instruments. First, go outside and look around for natural objects. Anything you find will work. Remember to only use objects that are already dead and on the ground. This is what I found. You can also use items from around your house. I'm going to use a paper towel roll, tape, paper, glue, and some cardboard. For my first instrument, I'm using sticks, glue, and the piece of cardboard to make something similar to a xylophone. For my second instrument, I used the paper towel roll, paper, and tape to make the outside of a maraca with rocks, leaves, and spruce cones inside. Now that you've made your very own natural instrument, you can make music! You can even make a few different instruments to put their sounds together. Happy playing!